Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to connect your MyQ garage door to Google Home, then this video is going to show you the exact methods that work as of 2026. So before setting it up, you will need to know this. The direct connection between the MyQ and the Google Home is limited. You can check the door status, but opening or closing the garage door using voice may not be supported directly for security purposes. So you will need a proper linking method for this. So you need to start by linking your account. For that, you just have to simply open your Google Home application. Afterwards, tap on the plus icon inside it. Then set up your device option. Then look for the option of works with Google. After that, you just have to simply search for MyQ, and then when you are able to find it, simply select it. Then log in into your MyQ account and allow permissions. Your garage door should now appear inside the Google Home application. Once it is linked successfully, you can control some of the basic functions. So you can try saying like, "Hey Google, is my garage door open?" The Google Assistant will give you the correct status of your MyQ device. And this is the main supported feature without any extra services. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.